Curling means precision is absolutely necessary for curling. The game is played by two teams of 4 players each, who take turns sliding curling stones in the direction of a circular target known as the tee, which is located on the other side of the court. During its journey across more than 145 feet to the opposite side of the rink, the stone is assisted in its movement by members of the team who sweep the ice with a broom or brush to make the stone go more quickly. When the stones slide across the ice, they produce a loud noise, and the surface of the ice, which frequently has tiny ice bumps on it for better control, is often bumpy. Because to this aspect of the gameplay, the game is also referred to as the roaring game. The earliest known use of the word curling occurred between the years 1610 and 1620. The stones used in the modern version of the game are not your typical stones, but rather a piece of polished granite, weighing 42 pounds that was sourced from Ailsa Craig in Scotland and has a handle connected to the top of it.